everybody, welcome to my very first YouTube video. As you probably seen that I posted some stuff about music and about that, but we're gonna unlock the new shotgun and try to get that done. So see you when I get into a match. I didn't quite explain what I had to do to get the new shotgun. What you have to do is just get 30 point blank kills. Hello everybody, this is me right now. The reason why I'm making this is to tell you that I lost the rest of the footage. But I'm gonna hop on Modern Warfare right now and show you the gun. Alright. Let's look at this. It's fully automatic. What do you have to do? 50 kills. Point blank. 10 double hip fire. Oh, that's pretty decent. Then 3 kills without dying 10 times. Okay. Let's hop into a game of this. Ooh. Okay. That took a long time. Holy crap. This thing is fun. Holy crap. It's like the A12 from 2019. Holy crap. This thing's nice. Well, I guess that'll be the end of this video. I gotta go edit it and see how it turns out. And if you guys liked it, just let me know and I'll keep posting more videos. Thanks for watching and catch you later. Bye.